On the edge of a quiet village, there was a big, old tree. In that tree lived a family of birds. Among them was a small bird named Sky, who had never flown before. While her brothers and sisters soared high in the sky, Sky stayed in the nest, afraid of flying. One bright morning, the mother bird said, "It's time for you to learn to fly, Sky. You can't stay in the nest forever." Sky looked down from the tall tree. The ground seemed so far away, and she felt scared. "I'm not ready," Sky replied nervously. "What if I fall?" "You have to trust your wings," said the mother bird kindly. "Everyone is scared at first, but once you try, you'll feel the wind lift you up." Sky watched her brothers and sisters happily flying above the trees. She wanted to join them, but her fear held her back. Hours passed, and the sun began to set. Sky felt a soft breeze and heard the rustling leaves. Something inside her told her it was time. Taking a deep breath, Sky stepped to the edge of the nest. Her heart pounded, but she spread her wings, closed her eyes, and leapt. For a moment, she felt like she was falling. But then, just as her mother had said, the wind caught her wings, and she soared. Sky opened her eyes and realized she was flying. The village below looked small, and the wind felt cool against her feathers. Joy and freedom filled her heart. She flapped her wings and flew higher, circling the big tree. When Sky returned to the nest, her family cheered. "I did it!" Sky exclaimed, her fear gone. From that day on, Sky was no longer afraid. She flew with her brothers and sisters every day, exploring the sky with excitement. Sky had learned a valuable lesson. Sometimes, all you need is a little courage to take the first step, and the rest will follow.
Now it's quiz time. What was the little bird's name? A. Sky. B. Sunny. C. Star. D. Sparky. Answer. A. Sky. Why was Sky afraid? A. Of the dark. B. Of flying. C. Of falling from the tree. D. Of other animals. Answer. B. Of flying. What did Sky's mother tell her to trust? A. Her siblings. B. Her wings. C. The wind. D. The tree. Answer. B. Her wings. What happened when Sky finally jumped from the nest? A. She fell. B. She flew. C. She cried. D. She stayed in the nest. Answer. B. She flew. What lesson did Sky learn? A. To stay in the nest. B. To trust her courage. C. To never fly. D. To listen to others. Answer. B. To trust her courage.
Now it's vocabulary time. Soared, meaning, flew or moved through the air with ease and grace, usually at a great height. Nervously, meaning, in a way that shows worry or fear about something. Trust, meaning, to believe in the ability, strength, or reliability of something or someone. Courage, meaning, the ability to do something difficult or dangerous even when you are afraid. Exploring, meaning, traveling or moving through an unfamiliar area to learn about it.